So today's travel is going to take us to a place that Marnie and I have found to be probably one of the most stunning places in the United States. It is the largest home in America. Come steal away with us as we go to visit the Biltmore in Asheville, North Carolina. The Biltmore requires lots and lots of energy.
Hi, I'm going to start by someone help you.
Take a large iced coffee, no sugar, lots of cream. Lots of cream because otherwise it's hard on my stomach, so I have an excuse. This is what we do when we drive. So I'm learning about swamp rabbits. Did you know swamp rabbits can run up to 48 miles per hour?
Most rabbits are only 25 to 45.
And swamp rabbits swim.
Yeah, they do. They can run away from predators and they go swimming and they can hide with just their nose above water and they do all sorts of crazy things. Do bunnies like being kissed? Some rabbits enjoy being kissed.
We have arrived at the Biltmore. The Biltmore is the largest private residence in the United States. Turn around here and you can see it in the background. The floor space is over 4 acres of floor space.
250 rooms. Started being built in 1889 and it took 6 years to build.
I think it was 1,000 men for 6 years that they employed to build this place.
The first 2 years were just spent on the foundation. Yeah,
I think 43 bathrooms,
65 fireplaces. My favorite room is the library. The curtains, the curtain rods are just amazing, huge.
We're going to start off in a few of the gardens this morning while it's nice and cool. And so let's go check those out. the way I figure it, we've got about room for maybe one section in our backyard. When I was young, my parents had a very large vegetable garden, and I got to help volunteer to help garden for lots and lots of hours, and it kind of gave me a dislike for gardening. However, I found that there's something about walking through a garden with my wife that speaks deep into my soul. So a lot of times our neighbor watches our dog while we're gone. So anyway, Jennifer, we're at the Biltmore in the gift shop, and there are these quirky planter things, and so I just figured one needed to come home. So for you, so we're gonna.